Thursday in time, August 9th at 11:59. And we got lightning and heavy winds right now. Wow. It's almost midnight. Ooh, yeah. Whoa, shit. Something got struck. Right at midnight. Holy crap. Wonder if there's a tornado coming. Holy crap. Something got struck. For sure. Holy crap. This so beats July 26th. Holy crap. It's really windy. God, damn air conditioning again. Holy crap. Something got struck. Let me stand right here. I mean, it's not on top of us at all. I mean, if it was, I would be moving right now. Let me zoom in just a little bit closer so you can see. I hope that I got that far one in the distance. It was right at midnight. That was crazy. It was right at midnight. That was so cool. I mean, I was holding my watch up right near the camera, so it was pretty damn cool. Wow. It's just to the north of us. I mean, I'm facing north right now. Due north. It's a little chilly with the wind. But it is pretty humid with the lightning and stuff, so. I should wake up my grandparents and tell them to come out here. I mean, this is cool. That's it.